Hello, dear students. Welcome to the Value Education class. Be ready with your Value Education book, Instilling Morals, chapter number 5. Open your doors. Yes, in this chapter, we will learn something about the hospitality. Yes, what is hospitality? Hospitality is an act of providing care and kindness to anyone who comes to our home. The person who comes to our home is our guest and we are the host. Yes children, अगर हमारे घर कोई आता है वो हमारा गेस्ट होता है और उस गेस्ट के आने पर अगर हम उसकी केयर करते हैं और उसको काइंडनेस दिखाते हैं तो वो कहलाती है हॉस्पिटैलिटी. नाउ come to the story and read it and know about the reward for the hospitality. Chapter number 5. Open your doors. Hospitality is simply an opportunity to show love and care. It means hospitality is that chance which helps you to show love and care for others. Now read the story. One cold and windy day, a hunter was hunting in a forest. However, all he could do was catch a dove. Suddenly, it began to rain. The hunter found shelter beneath a tree. He stood under the tree, getting wet, and began to shiver as he was very cold. There lived a dove in that tree. He was looking out for his companion. What could have happened to her? I'm worried, he cried out. The dove's companion had been caught by the hunter. She heard her mates cry. She said to him, "Oh dear, I'm here. Do not worry about me. We have a guest at our home. He is cold. Make fire with the wood in the shelter." The dove did so. The hunter felt better. "Now give him something to eat. It is not proper to neglect a guest," she said. The dove replied from the tree that there was nothing he could give him. The dove felt ashamed for not being able to feed his guest. Now students, try to understand that there was a hunter. He went to the forest to catch a dove. It began to rain. Now he was getting wet and feeling cold, and he found a shelter under a tree. You can see he is standing under a tree. There lived a dove in that tree. That dove was waiting for his companion. Companion means partner. This dove was waiting for its companion and he was worried why it has not come back. When he was worried, he heard a voice of the another dove, which was his partner, and that dove said that I am caught by a hunter. But you don't worry about me. There is a guest in our house under a tree. We should help him. तब उसकी पार्टनर ने उसको कहा कि तुम मेरी चिंता छोड़ दो, तुम अपने घर आए हुए इस गेस्ट की कुछ हेल्प करो, और ये गेस्ट को बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी लग रही है, तुम इसके लिए फायर का अरेंज करो। फिर उस डव ने उसके लिए ये देखिए फायर का अरेंज किया। कैन यू सी दिस फायर ओवर हियर? यस, डव अरेंज्ड अ फायर फॉर दिस hunter. Then again a voice came out that give something to eat him. But the dove told there is nothing to eat. At that time, dove felt ashamed for not being able to feed his guest. उस समय डव को बहुत शर्म आई कि कोई मेरे घर आया है और मेरे पास अपने गेस्ट को खिलाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। नाउ कंटिन्यू विद द स्टोरी ऑन पेज नंबर 24. द डव थॉट फॉर अ while and made an attempt to jump into the fire. The hunter reacted quickly and saved him from falling into the fire. The hunter was greatly moved by the hospitality of the dove and felt ashamed for trapping his mate. The hunter thanked the dove and freed his mate. The two birds flew away to their nest happily. They were rewarded for their hospitality. जब डव को ये सोचकर बड़ी शर्म आई कि मेरे पास अपने गेस्ट को खिलाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, तब उसने थोड़ी देर सोचा और खुद को आग में, फायर में जंप करने की कोशिश की। ये सब देख के हंटर ने एकदम उसको बचाने की कोशिश की एंड ही सेव्ड दैट डव falling in the fire. At that time, Hunter was very happy with the hospitality by the dove. That's why he saved that dove and he freed his companion. Hunter को खुद ही शर्म आई कि मैंने इस डव के कंपेनियन को पकड़ रखा है, पर फिर भी ये मेरा इतना ख्याल रख रहे हैं, तो मुझे इनको फ्री कर देना चाहिए। उसने उसके कंपेनियन मीन्स उसके पार्टनर को फ्री कर दिया। नाउ बोथ द बर्ड्स फ्लू अवे हैप्पीली एंड द बर्ड्स गॉट दिस रिवॉर्ड because of their hospitality. Dear students, what you have learnt from the story? Yes, hospitality. Whenever some guests come to your home, you should show the act of kindness and care. Thank you and have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe.